GCSE Higher Practice Paper 5A from mathstutor.biz and mathsdvds.co.uk. This video clip we're looking at question number 18. Down there, question number 18. I shall go through the question in detail and show you how the marks are awarded. If you want to see the rest of the questions on this paper, you'll need to buy your own copy of this paper along with the DVD that gives full explanations. Visit mathstutor.biz or mathsdvds.co.uk for full details, along with all the other DVDs, mathematics DVDs that is, produced by me. Anyway, let's have a look at this question number 18. GCSE Higher Practice Paper 5A, question number 18. Solve these simultaneous equations. Now, there are several methods for solving simultaneous equations, but for this particular case I think only one of them is suitable, and that's using the method of substitution. The method of elimination just is going to be extremely complicated, but by substitution, not so bad. We make either x or y the subject of this first equation. So telling the examiner what I'm doing, I'm going to say I'm going to rewrite equation 1 by subtracting either x or y from both sides. I'll subtract x from both sides and get this. I can then take that for y and substitute it into the second equation. So instead of x squared plus y squared, I get x squared plus this squared. Now I need to expand these brackets, which you could do by a long method or a short method. I'm just going to do it. Square that, twice that is 4, 2 fourths are 8, 8 times that minus 8, x, square that. But somehow or other expand those brackets. I've done it several times in other papers, so that will do this time, but with a bit more care. X squared and x squared. Subtract 16 from both sides, that will cancel the 16 out, so that's what I'm left with. Factorise by taking the 2x out. So I've got two answers, either this equals 0 or this equals 0, which gives me x equals 0 or x equals 4. Now I've got two pairs of answers, not just x. I've also got the y answer, so substituting these values into either of those equations, obviously this one's easier. When x is 0, y would have to be 4, and when x is 4, y would have to be 0. So I've got this pair of answers and this pair of answers, which I was always taught to link them together like that, to say these answers go together, these answers go together. Let's look at some marks for that. So 1 mark for rearranging the equation to make one of those the subject, 1 mark for the substitution, another mark for tidying up and factorising it, and then 1 mark for each of these pairs of answers.